subscribe. What's up, guys? Today we are doing a Manchester United rebuild, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Koulibaly. Let's see how much he'll go for. Thinking 90 mil? Maybe. I want 121. I'm gonna go for maybe 119. Yeah, 119. And yeah, Koulibaly accepted. And I'll see you when my team is finished. And there you go. There's the team. I got Jadon Sancho. Yeah, see you at the midway point. We're back at the midway point. Let's see where we are. So we're definitely not in the Europa League. Okay, Bayern in the round of 16, and that's as far as it goes. So, yeah, Champions League is looking good. Premier League, got nothing to say about that. Horrendous. So, yeah. Team is looking good. See a couple upgraded players. See you at the end of the season. Let's have a look at the Premier League. Stupid. Horrible. It's horrendous. That's what that is. Lose in the semi-finals to Real Madrid. Oh no. Alright. That's the end of the video. If you like it, sub, like, obviously.